Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Apps Script endpoints for AppSheet step by step clearly. To download Google Apps Script endpoints for AppSheet, start by opening your Google Drive. Create a new Google Apps Script project by selecting New in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, hover over More and then select Google Apps Script. A new tab will open for your Apps Script project. You will see a default script file named code.js. Rename it to something more descriptive. Next, open the Resources menu and select Cloud Platform Project. Take note of the project number and click Open the Cloud Platform Project. This will redirect you to the Google Cloud Console. In the Cloud Console, navigate to the left sidebar and click on APIs and Services. Then, select Library to view available APIs. Search for Google Sheets API and click on it. Enable the Google Sheets API for your project. Return to the APIs and Services menu and select Credentials. Click on Create Credentials, then choose API Key. A new API key will be generated. Copy this key for later use. Next, go back to your Apps Script project. In the code.js file, you will start coding your endpoints. Begin by defining the function that acts as an endpoint. Use the doGet method for handling GET requests. Inside the function, return the desired data in JSON format. Make sure to test your function by clicking the play icon at the top. If it works correctly, click Deploy in the upper right corner. Select New Deployment from the drop-down. Choose Web App as the type of deployment. Fill out the required fields, including the name and description. Set Execute as to me and who has access to anyone. Click Deploy to finalize the deployment. Authorize the necessary permissions when prompted. Once authorized, you will receive a URL for your new endpoint. Copy this endpoint URL for use in AppSheet. Finally, go to your AppSheet application and open the Data section. Select New Table and choose Web API to link your endpoint. Paste the copied URL as your data source. Now your Google Apps Script endpoints are successfully downloaded and integrated into AppSheet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.